Good afternoon, meteorologist Dean Davis and the Weather Pros and LiveWeatherBlogs.com. We are on the 10th of April, and we're going to talk about severe weather season. I have to make this up because I want you to understand what kind of severe weather season we're going to have here in the United States. We'll go to the forecast. Enso cycles, La Nina versus El Nino, and how the pattern's set up. That's pretty much what goes on in these situations. So what are we in? We're in La Nina still. We haven't centralized or became neutral yet, but we still have some La Nina going on here. See, up to April 4th still occurring. And the Climate Prediction Center did put this out. It's still below average sea temperatures in the Pacific between 8.8 and 0.6 Celsius. So this right now will allow us to have a better shot of severe weather. I drew a little line here just to try to show you some of the tracking that would happen, but most of the tracks you see are here, so all severe weather would be here south of most of these tracks here. Okay, we have a lot of times we have a trough low pressure come in, but all these lines are other lines are troughs. I mean, in low pressure systems. So anything south of that would be in the warm sector: Virginia, North Carolina, Tennessee, Kentucky, Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, Arkansas, Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas. That area is going to be the bigger threat. And then later in the season, further north. Areas the most likely to be above average is Dixie Alley, the Mid-Atlantic, and the upper Midwest, statistically. Forecast. Due to low pressure placement, cold warm patterns, especially in April and May, again in October and November, we will see increases of severe weather in Dixie Alley, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, and the upper Midwest, with the lower plains also getting in on it, but primarily late April to June 1st. Primary season for severe weather. Dixie Alley. Where is Dixie Alley? And then where else are we talking? Here's Dixie Alley. Most of our storms are going to start looking like this. Anytime we have a cold front here, warm front here, anywhere south of that and east of that is usually where it's going to be. And the pattern's going to set up where Dixie Alley is a prime area. When it's further here, you're going to see Kansas, Oklahoma, Texas in the main shot. And then the patterns will sometimes lift further north, and you'll have these states in the upper Midwest get involved. But these are the main areas you're going to see. And then also here in Virginia, North Carolina, and South Carolina, specifically the Blue Ridge Parkway and east, for an idea. But places like Roanoke, Blacksburg still get into it. Most of these systems, when these low pressures get near, called a high shear low cape event, which with the changing seasons usually is that, but we can also get some severe weather that is supercell related in this time of the year also. So that's basically what we're going to see. So the areas again, once again, is an above average severe weather season, and Dixie Alley being the most prominent location to get more than average, Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, and also the upper Midwest when we have these lows go higher. We also will see the above average here in the normal tornado alley, but let's say Dixie Alley, the Mid-Atlantic states, and upper Midwest will see statistically heavier and higher amounts. I hope that helps you. Make sure you are ready for tornadoes and severe weather. Have yourself a plan when a tornado warning goes out, and do not ignore severe thunderstorm warnings, because tornadoes do occur in severe thunderstorm warnings at time to time, especially in high shear, low cape events. Meteorologist Dean Davison, the Weather Pros. Thanks for watching. Stay safe this season.